Things I use for this hairstyle is some beeswax, a rat tail comb, some rubber bands, and a crochet hook. This is the type of hair that I use, a water wave. I think it's Bohemian, 18 inches. I got mine in a 1B30, I believe. I'm just showing you how I part my sections off in the back. I didn't want it to be neat, but I still wanted like the brick layering. So I'm just showing you how I set it up. I ended up fixing this last piece eventually, but this is just the overall idea. As you can see here, I did do the rubber band method, and I just separated the first nape section into 4. That's usually how I do all my box braids, full locks, twists, whatever. It's just easier. And I know you can see like my hair in the back is a little bit longer, just that piece at the bottom, so I like to take that out the rubber band just so I don't break my hair off. But this is how I section it, and I'm just gonna work this way all the way up until I'm done. This is the overall finished product. See how I took the hair out the rubber band in the back just so it's not snagging. It's not super neat, but it is kind of neat, so that's how I like it. Now I'm gonna go into showing you how I crochet it. I just put the needle through my hair, put the weave onto the hook, pull it through, and then just pull one end of the weave out of the rubber band. With this section, this little piece, I used 2 curls, and eventually I just did it over again and took 1 curl instead. Also, with this hairstyle, when you're twisting, the way to tell that you're doing it the wrong way is when you twist it halfway and you can see it starting to crunch up. Not crunch up, but twirl against itself. That's when you know to like take it down and go the opposite way. You can see here that when I let it go, it curls against itself. So I just took it down and then I twisted the other way. And by the way, the whole time I'm twisting, at the same time I'm adding Eco Styling Gel just so my hair and the weave can mix together. So right here I'm showing you the difference between using 2 curls with this first piece and using just 1 curl with the second piece. I like this style better, so I did go ahead and redo the first one, like I said, with 1 curl instead. This is what 1 curl looks like. And once you fluff it out, it's like thick enough to, be the texture that you want it to be. So I took the first one out and I just redid it. And here I'm showing you again how I went about crocheting it, but this time with only 1 curl instead. Again, I put the open hook through the rubber band. I latched the weave on. I closed the hook. I pulled the whole needle through the rubber band, and then I grabbed 1 end of the weave and just pulled 1 end of it out from the rubber band, like so. I get some Eco Styling Gel just to hold it together with the weave. I placed that on my hair. I pretty much drenched my hair with this stuff. I separate my hair into 2, so there's the equal parts for the weave, and then I just start from the root and start twisting down all the way down. It's a pretty simple and easy hairstyle. Not much to it. one thing. This is all one pack of hair. This is the hair that I used. I showed you guys, but I'm gonna show you again because I got two different kinds of hair. And then I bought this one, which is a lot more. Let me show you. This is the first package of hair. It's like kind of like pink blonde hair that's been boiled. It looks like this hair has like a softer texture. You know, it's more smooth. So I really like that one better. But overall, I like it. I can't wait till I finish to show you guys. And I'm going to do this one over again because I don't like this rope style. And I definitely don't like it so close to my face. So, be right back. So, I'm finally almost done. We got 3 more. And I'm going to do these for you guys to see. Like I said, I am doing the rubber band method and crochet. So what I do is I get a curl with some gel and just pull my real hair all the way to the end. Get my hook, open it, slide it through. With the curl, I separate it with my nail. Not all the way down to the bottom though, because if you do, it's going to get frizzy and it's not going to have that nice curl. So, leave it like that. You stick it in the hook, close it, pull it through. Put one side in. I like to separate it a little bit more at the top. I'm going to take my hair, separate it into 2, and I twist. Sometimes I go in the wrong direction. To figure out which direction. In the middle of twisting, you want to stop. And if it's like, if it curls up like this, then it's in the wrong direction. But this one is fine. So I just keep going. I add gel along the way. And I don't do them too tight. I got a big old head. So far, I used 3 packs of hair. Packs of hair. I bought 7. Yeah, I bought 7. I only used 3. For this hairstyle, I feel like they're like a medium. They're not small. They're not too big. It's like a medium length. So yeah, 3 packs. I twist it all the way down. Speed it up, but I got 2 more and I'm gonna just do these real quick. So now I'm just showing you what the back looks like and how long they come down. I'm 5'5", so this is like a medium length. It's not that bad. I really like it. I love how it came out. It's very neat. And thank you guys for watching.